ducks are making so much noise. Come on, Musty. Oh, there's my good baby. Oh, his name is Buster, and him's a baby. Him's too cute. So what are you two gonna do on this rainy day? You can't go outside and do nothing. Well, you can, Molly. You don't get cold like he does. I wish those ducks could go outside today. They've got their pen a mess. Such a mess. Oh, no burps today? No burps? Do you want me to hold you like a baby? I'm not pushing my luck with you today. You were cranky yesterday. I want to have a good day today. What if I pick you up a little bit? Usually that helps. I wasn't trying to get you to lay down. I start to think it's funny when you do that. I think it's funny. Look at that little chunky double chin. How can you be so skinny and have a double chin? Hi, good morning. Good morning, buddy. Did you sleep so good? Did you sleep so good? Hi. Where are you going, bud? Are you just done with that? Okay. Well, I gotta go make my coffee if you're not gonna burp. Let's show Molly with her obsession. Oh, of course she put down. Oh my goodness, they're being so loud today. All right, guys, you gotta entertain yourself today because after coffee time, I gotta go to work. Buster, you don't do that on camera. I hope that wasn't getting you. Why do you smell like a Cheerio? All right, going to make my coffee. Do you need anything while I'm up? I gave you guys food and fresh water. Come on, I need some more water. Ooh la la. Guys, this kitchen is a mess. Who's cleaning the kitchen today? My question is, how do crumbs get everywhere? It's not like there's one little crumb here or there. It's like you freaking live in a pigsty. Is it you guys? Ooh, what was that? This new coffee is so good, you guys. You don't even understand. Oh. So here's the plan, guys. I'm gonna have my coffee, do a little work on the computer. I'm gonna set a timer. What time is it right now? I might give myself to 10:15 on the computer work. Then we gotta run to town. Buster, are you going to town or are you staying here? Molly, you're gonna go to town. And then we're gonna come back and I gotta go to work, okay? Don't do it very often, but I gotta go to work.